Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. COSRX Snail Mucin 96% Power Repairing Essence 3.38 FL Oz 100 ml. Formulated with 96.3% snail secretion filtrate, this essence repairs and rejuvenates the skin from dryness and aging. It improves skin vitality by reducing dullness and soothing dehydrated skin. Number 2. COSRX Dry Skin Gel Cleanser Advanced Snail Mucin. Daily gel cleanser with a powerful regenerative and hydrating effects. Unique, dense texture helps reduce irritation and minimize stimulation for gentle everyday cleansing. Youthful radiant skin, mild foam cleanser to reveal your plump and bright skin. Number 3. COSRX Snail Mucin 92% Repair Cream. Infused with 92% of snail mucin, also called snail secretion filtrate, this cream builds a moisture barrier to plump, hydrate, and soothe skin. This everyday multi-solution cream glides onto the skin and revives skin radiance. Supercharged repairing moisturizer, a lightweight, gel-type cream repairs and soothes irritated, sensitized skin after breakouts like rosacea. Number 4. COSRX All About Snail Mucin Korean Skincare Set. Skincare essentials formulated with snail mucin for repairing, moisturizing, and soothing skin. Advanced Snail Mucin Gel Cleanser, 0.67 fluid ounces. With 10,000 ppm snail secretion filtrate, it protects the skin barrier and does not strip the skin. Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, 1.01 fluid ounces, lightweight yet intense moisturizing essence absorbs very fast into the skin and maximizes skin elasticity. Number 5. Clean Skin Club Clean Towels XL. 50 dermatologist-tested and approved bio-based face towels. Clinically shown to help individuals achieve visibly clearer skin, less irritation, and to reduce the appearance of redness. Always have a clean, bacteria-free towel for drying your face.